Hey, sorry this took me a while to get out. I took a hockey puck in the face a week ago, so I was having a hard time talking. Didn't want to stumble through a video at that time. So we're looking at Greater Metro Denver single-family close prices. Between the average close price in the month of February 2023 was $720,000 and change. That's actually down about 2% from last year. It's up from last month. So we're starting to see things move on the median side, which is kind of what usually makes a little bit more, is a little bit more accurate. We're seeing actually down about 5%. But what you can start to see here is, so year over year, home prices in February last year versus February this year are actually down. But month over month, we're starting to see that typical real estate cycle going into Q2 where we're seeing the home prices actually going up. So the best deals probably are to be had about now. Obviously, rates are higher. When rates are high, prices are low. When rates go low, prices go high. So, you know, people who can afford it now is probably a pretty good time. When we're looking at condos, still condos, 2022 to 2023 here, we're seeing an increase. In the average on a median, it's about the same, right? 400, 402, pretty close as far as that's concerned. And I'm just looking blue to blue here, looking at last year versus this year. When we look at, you can see the huge gap if we look over the last 2 years on average price per square foot for what that means to us. This is kind of interesting. So active listings. We are up, we're down since last month, so less inventory hitting the market, but we are up quite a bit since last year at this time, which is good news. That means there's going to be more homes on the market available to look at. But when we look at new listings, it's way down. One of the reasons for that, most people are thinking, is still that, you know, if you're sitting in your house at 3%, you want to go look at something new and you're in the high 6s, low 7s. Less new listings are hitting the market right now, but up quite a bit since last month. So on demand side, pending listings, a couple of things. We're still at roughly 1 month supply, so we're way low as far as inventory is concerned and down quite a bit since January. On the pending side, though, you know, we're down from where we've been the last couple of years, and once again, this is rate driven a little bit, but we're seeing that start to increase. So on the market activity, last month it was 45 days on the MLS on average. Now it's 47, and look at this, a year ago it was 2 weeks. So it's crazy. We're seeing things slow down a little bit. Still rapid pace, still a lot of buyer demand. We're still seeing a lot of multiple offer situations, but at least there's a little more time to breathe now that there just wasn't a year ago. And, you know, last year everything was selling for over list price. Now it's right around list price. We're looking at right about 100%, 99%. So that's kind of where things stand as far as the market. Looking at the Denver metro area in February versus February a year ago and last month. Any questions on any of this, don't hesitate to reach out and give me a call. My contact information and everything is below. Thanks so much for taking a look. All right, have a good day.